This is my third box of potatoes. I'm going to go ahead and harvest these. These have a little more green on them, so I'm really hoping that there's more potatoes in there. Can't even see. So I'll pull the green out. I have to invest in a tripod. Stuff on top. I really don't know how to pull them correctly. But, oh, there's one. Look. Yes. I just pulled them the way I pulled them. Mom knew all this. And, oh, look, y'all. Boy, that's a big one. Ah. Nice. Look at that. I think anybody could do this in a container. Keep the puppies out of it. You can put it anywhere you want to. Very good. I have a feeling there might be a lot more in this one than the last one. Oh yeah, I can see them down in there. Okay. Look. That's beautiful. Some little ones. I wasn't going to do container again because of last year, but you learn something new every year, and look what I got. Look at that. So stuck to them. That's so nice. I think that's all right here. See if there's any other roots. I don't see any worms in this one. I'm sure there are. Lots of whatever that is. Little white things running around. Oh, that's scary. Look. What is that? I don't know if I should be concerned about that or not. Alright, well, here's another one. And here's another one. And we're in zone 8A. We used to be 7B, I think. We are in North Carolina, about 30 miles west of Charlotte. And I think I'm going to cut this. Oh, there's another one. This one turned out a lot better. Ah, oh, look. Happy, happy. Whatever bugs these are, they're not biting into the potato, I don't think. Here's a little one. So far I got that much. Sorry for putting my finger in the way all the time. And I'm going to dig and see if I can get some more. And that's bucket number 3. Not bad. Y'all have a good day.